So we are here at the Children's Hospital in Los Angeles. This is Ray, and then with everybody here with the team. Oops. Hey guys, so we are here at the Children's Hospital in Los Angeles, and we are talking about that. Hey, in our company, we are on a mission this year to raise $100,000 to help kids at the Children's Hospital in Los Angeles. And the way we set it up is that we never ask money from our clients. It's just that for every person that we refer to, every person that you refer to our real estate sales team, we take a portion of that income towards that mission. So who do you know? Who do you know in the next 3 to 6 months that's planning on making a move, right? So Ray, we are talking about here in our company. We are on a mission to raise $100,000 to help kids here at the Children's Hospital in Los Angeles. We are about to get ready to go on the tour to meet with some of the kids and some of the impactors. So I just want to thank you for your support. Thank you for your business in the past 5 years. You guys, because of your support, because of your business, because of your referrals, we raised over $100,000 to help kids here at Children's Hospital. And this year, again, we are on a mission to raise $100,000 to help kids here in Children's Hospital in Los Angeles. So who do you know is planning on making a move in the next 3 to 6 months? All you need to do, call 626-789-0159.
Yes, Rudy. So the money that we contribute to this great cause really make a tangible difference. So before you came here, I was actually talking to a lady that has the therapy dog.
Yeah.
So what they do every day is, so they're volunteers too,
yes.
but they get the funding from money from us,
yes.
organization like us.
Yes.
We contribute the money to them, so that's what can make it possible. So the guide dogs, the therapy dogs, they
yes.
come to the hospital twice a month. So every day at the hospital, there's gonna be dog here. So they go through different departments, they go visit the patients, and the dogs are happy. And most important of all, the therapy dog, they help the children and they help the patient to recover.
The therapy dogs.
Yeah.
The therapy dogs is not covered by their regular funding.
Yes.
So the funding come from so for every person that you refer to our company, basically we take a portion. See, the cool thing about what we do here, right? Not a single person in our company asks for money from our clients. We never, since 2007, we never ask for money for donation. But for every business, for every person that you refer to our company, we take a portion. Think about it. We have 100% participation that each individual in our company, they actually take a portion from their income towards that mission. So today is a little bit celebratory. Today is kind of like we do a tour for everybody in the company to see the all the works and stuff like that. So it's been amazing. But again, it couldn't be done without your trust, without your support, without your referrals, because that's all it is. Every time you refer a business to us, we take a portion of our income to you. So it's a simple plan, right? So who do you know is planning on making a move in the next 3 to 6 months? Oh, by the way, this is a symbol. This is called Miracle Agent. Miracle Agent are the individual who raise a significant amount of money for the Children's Hospital in Los Angeles. Just in case you don't know, the Children's Hospital in Los Angeles actually is the top five children's hospital in the whole country. You know that?
That's amazing.
Yeah, that's one of the top children's hospital in Los Angeles. So after this, we're gonna take a picture. Then we're gonna go inside. Take a look at the. We're gonna go inside. Take a look at the kids. Hey Sue, we're gonna do a quick tour here very soon. And that's Kirsten. That's Molly. That's Mary. And this is Steven. Right? So, from your perspective, you've been with the team for quite some time, right? So just so you know, for every time you close escrow, as you know, Sue here take a portion of from her income, right, towards that goal. So over the past 5 years, we raised more than $100,000 to help kids here at Children's Hospital. So for every person that you refer to our company, each one of our team members, like Sue, Kirsten here, who's enjoying her
drink.
I don't know what is that, but we take up. So that's why that's the reason why every day people ask me, what drives you to come to office every day? Well, I never met more generous group of people than these guys here. Like, think about it, Sue. who take a portion of their income every time you get a paycheck. Most people, Sue, once they take.
Yeah,
Right?
we give it. Right.
Like for Sue here, like automatic. And we have one, see what makes me proud about each individual person in our company, we have 100% participation, which means that each individual, everybody in our company, that's the law of generosity.
Yep.
And the more you give, man,
the more you get.
yeah, Sue here is very successful. You've been in business for how long?
Over 15 years.
Over 15 years or 50?
15.
15. Okay, 15 years.
All right. I'm so proud of that. Young.
So over 15 years, and your business is basically doing really, really well in the
Yeah,
last.
getting better for the last 3 years.
And think about it, for 15 years, and your business is getting better today in the age of information than in the past. That's amazing, right? And Sue Trong, if you look it up, is one of the top producers in San Gabriel Valley. And today is 2019. You're just getting started, man.
I already did better than last year.
Better than
This time.
before,
So
yeah,
that's
right.
more contribution to your hospital. Yeah.
All right. So and then we have our young, what is it called? What do you call young hustler? We have our young hustler here, our young hustler, Molly. So Molly, can you share your experience working with our company, your Home Soul Guaranteed Realty, and your involvement here with the Children's Hospital in Los Angeles?
I joined this company last year, and then with every transaction we close, we donate a portion of our income to a children's hospital. So I feel like overall we contributed towards something, and we are actually, it motivates us and drives us every day when we wake up in the morning that we're doing good and helping society with everything we close.
Yeah. What you do makes a difference.
Yeah,
Right?
it does make a difference.
And this is Kirsten. Check out her cool eye sunglasses. Check it out. Right, where do you get that sunglasses? Okay, Korea. Okay, but anyway, that doesn't really matter. The reason of this interview is that, can you share your experience basically working at your Home Soul Guaranteed and your involvement here at the Children's Hospital Los Angeles?
I mean, when I first interviewed with Ronnie and you, it was very upfront, but actually I liked it. I like that I don't have to, put the money aside to help someone. It's just whenever I make the contribution to the company and to my life, it just goes automatically, which was a great motivation for me. So, I mean, I've been enjoying it without even thinking that I'm helping. Like, I do it, so it just makes me feel good too.
Yeah.
Yes, and it.
Can you believe it? So the principle that we teach here in our company at your Home Soul Guaranteed Realty is that you can do well by doing good.
Yes.
And we embed it as part of our culture, part of each individual team members. So today we're gonna do a backstage tour of the hospital. You're gonna see that what you and the client. So the only reason we can do that is that we are on a mission this year to raise 100,000 to help kids at Children's Hospital in Los Angeles. So who do you know is planning on making a move in the next 3 to 6 months? For every person that you refer to our team, we take a portion of our income. Think about it, Kirsten. Later on, as you go inside, you're gonna see there are many other companies giving a lot of money to Children's Hospital, but they ask money from their clients. Just like when you go to Walmart, they ask money from their customers. What I'm so proud about our company here, is that no, we never ask money from the clients, but you take a portion from your income towards that. So that's what makes it unique. And so I just want to thank you for your trust. Thank you for your referrals. So let's together this year, we are on a mission to raise 100,000. Who do you know is planning on making a move in the next 3 to 6 months? All you need to do, call 626-789-0159. Check it out, your sunglasses, we can see it right there. It's like a reflection. It's like a reflection on the thing. All right, guys. So we are just getting started here. I just want to once again, on behalf of everybody at your Home Soul Guaranteed Realty, I just want to thank you for your trust. Thank you for your business. Thank you for your many referrals. Again, this year in 2019, we are on a mission to raise 100,000 to help kids at Children's Hospital Los Angeles. So who do you know is planning on making a move in the next 3 to 6 months? All you need to do, call 626-789-0159. This is Ryan.
Hi.
And this is Jay. Ryan, anything you want to share about your experience working at your Home Soul Guaranteed Realty and your participation, your involvement here at the Children's Hospital in Los Angeles?
Yeah, sure. So I've been with the team for almost a year. So the benefit of working with your Home Soul Guarantee company is we got a team system. So basically I have more time on my hand to focus on my clients. So I show homes every day to my clients. Every weekend I do open house. So whenever I don't do open house, I show clients to show homes to my clients basically. So I have more time on my hand to spend time with my family.
That's amazing. And then for every transaction, Ryan here, this young guy, how old are you?
I'm 29.
For every transaction, you actually collectively, in the last 11 years, you raised $100,000 to help kids here at Children's Hospital in Los Angeles. Right? So again, we just want to acknowledge each one of our clients. Thank you for your business.
Thank you so much for your referral and your business. Thank you.
Okay, so we are at the Children's Hospital in Los Angeles, and we just finished off the events where our team is being recognized as the #1 single office fundraising. Now, that's just to thank you, because here in our team, we are on a mission this year to raise $100,000 to help kids at the Children's Hospital in Los Angeles. For every person that you refer to our team, we take a portion of our income towards that goal. So who do you know is thinking of making a move in the next 3 to 6 months? All you need to do is call 626-789-0159. Again, who do you know is planning on making a move in the next 3 to 6 months? Call 626-789-0159. So we're gonna take a picture here at the right outside from the Children's Hospital in Los Angeles. So our company, your Home Soul Guaranteed Realty, has just been recognized as the single office fundraising office. So all it means, Ryan, show everybody the I don't know what is that, the acrylic something. So all it means that we are on a mission this year. Children's Hospital Los Angeles. We are on a mission this year to raise over $100,000. Who do you know is planning on making a move in the next 3 to 6 months? So once again, thank you for your trust. Thank you for your business. And for every person that you refer to our team, we are taking a portion of our income towards that goal. All you need to do, call 626-789-0159.
Hi, my name is Jean. I am a real estate agent of Rudy's Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. And what does it mean to be part of the top 1 fundraising office for the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles? My answer would be that as a member of this great team, it allows me to be more, and so that I can do more and have more, and at the same time to contribute more back to the society.